Fictiv was founded on this idea of how do you build hardware at the speed of software. It really came from my time at Ford, where we're building infotainment systems, so dashboards of cars. And the idea is that a vehicle takes 4 to 6 years to develop, but consumer electronics, you think an iPhone, an iPad, these are more 6 to 8 months, that you'll get a new one every single year. If you're going to build this infotainment system, things that people interact with the whole time, how do you make sure it's as most up to date as possible? Our goal was actually to start integrating that hardware as close to launch date as possible. And so we said, great, how do we do that? And it wasn't that we couldn't come up with better ways to innovate or new ideas, touch screens, bring your own device in. We had all these ideas as smart engineers do, but it was more around, okay, now that you have the idea, you've done it in a digital setting, how do you actually implement that? How do you put that into a car? And this is where all of the gears stop turning. It's like it starts to get really complicated. And it's crystallized into this idea of going from digital to physical is incredibly hard. And so my time at Ford really built the thesis for what Fictiv is today for building hardware at the speed of software. That we said, hey, if you could make manufacturing more accessible, if you could help people go from digital assets, CAD primarily, to physical parts shorter, you should be able to speed up innovation cycles. Innovation cycles should allow more products to be made, solve more problems. And that really became the nugget or the thesis for what Fictiv is today.